Sometimes I think I was born backwards, you know, come out my mum the wrong way. I hear words go past me backwards. The people I should love, I hate. And the people I hate,
Sunday morning, we're both alone again. There's plenty of shit to make us feel again. Sunday morning, and I'm lit in your bed, and I can smoke enough for two. That's enough for me, enough for you. And if we could, I would, but you can't. And Sunday morning came way too fast. If we could, I would, but you can't. Sunday mornings now in the past. Sunday morning, both alone again. Can't believe I lost my own friend.
I keep thinking, all the signs we smell, songs and pictures, did we know? I mean, all the lost. Was the tape erased? Maybe gosh. Not like you know. Is that really baby? That's what I want.